Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious orange pound cake from scratch. This cake can serve up to 20 or more people depending on how you slice it, and it's absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your orange pound cake. You will need some all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, unsalted butter at room temperature, eggs at room temperature, sour cream at room temperature, 1 medium-sized orange, orange gel paste food coloring, pure orange extract, vanilla extract, whole milk, and some confectioner sugar. To bake your orange pound cake, you will need some Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray and a Nordic Ware Anniversary Bundt pan. And for your tools, you will need a grater/zester, a cake sifter, and a citrus juicer. And there you have it. Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift all ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. Give that a quick stir. In our stand mixer with a paddle attachment, add 3 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature and 3 cups of sugar. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that butter and sugar incorporated. Now you're going to turn your mixer up to the highest setting, and you're going to mix this on high speed for 5 minutes. Now at some point during those 5 minutes, you're going to stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. Continue mixing that in. We're finished creaming the butter and the sugar. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now we're going to add 5 eggs in, one at a time. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed. Add the first egg in. Mix until the egg is incorporated. Add the second egg in. Mix until the egg is incorporated. Add the third egg in. Mix until the egg is incorporated. Add the fourth egg in. Mix until the egg is incorporated. And add the fifth egg in. Mix this until it is incorporated. Please do not overmix. You just want to mix the eggs in until they are incorporated. And we're done. Scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. Rinse your orange. Zest your orange. And this is how it looks when we're done. Cut the orange in half. Juice both halves of the orange. Add the juice into a mesh strainer. And once done, you should have 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice in here. Add 1/3 cup of orange zest, 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon of orange extract, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of orange gel paste food coloring. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now we're going to alternate the all-purpose flour mixture with the sour cream. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour mixture and 1/2 cup of sour cream. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour mixture and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Mix all ingredients on a medium-low speed until combined. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour mixture and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Mix all ingredients on a medium-low speed until combined. And that is it. Our orange cake batter is now ready. Spray your bundt pan with non-stick baking spray. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Add your orange pound cake batter into your bundt pan. Using the back of a spoon, spread your pound cake batter around your bundt pan as evenly as possible. To make the batter more even, shake your pan slightly, and you can also tap it onto your table as well. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 325 degree oven. Bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Remove your orange pound cake out of the oven after baking on 325 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now for the toothpick test, insert it and it should come out clean. Let the cake cool completely before you flip it. Our cake has cooled completely. I'm going to flip it over. And this is how it looks when we're done. Look at that beautiful brown color. Let's make our orange pound cake icing. Add 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of warm whole milk, 1/4 teaspoon of orange extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir all your ingredients until the mixture is creamy and smooth with no visible lumps. As you can see, our icing is creamy and smooth with no visible lumps. Here I have a toothpick with some orange gel paste food coloring in it. We're just going to take that and we're going to swirl it into the icing. Give that a quick stir. And our icing is now done. Look at that. Nice orange color. Now for the final step, you're going to pour the icing on top of your cake. And once done, you're going to let your icing sit for about 10 minutes before serving. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, orange pound cake, made from scratch. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to it. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and Instagram. For Facebook, www.facebook.com/charliethecookandrews. On Instagram, search for Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Oh man, look at this. Look at that. Orange pound cake. The cake is nice, moist, has a nice orange flavor. Then you have the flavor of that icing to go along with it. Absolutely delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.